Hi, Ziggy back again from Streamline. I just wanted to take this opportunity to show off this Nissan Primastar. Let's take a closer look. It's the Techno spec, so you get a very nice interior in these. You get everything you need, nothing you don't. So you get the Apple and Android CarPlay, cruise control, air conditioning. With it being a Techno spec, you get the alloy wheels, the color-coded front bumper. Just a really lovely looking van in my opinion. So on this particular build, the customer has opted to have the 650 litre delivery system up against the bulkhead. The beauty of that is they have plenty of space on the back now. This is going to be a very multi-purpose vehicle, so it's not just window cleaning. They do many other sort of maintenance tasks as well, so there's plenty of space for ladders, scaffold towers, or anything they may need to carry on a daily basis. Spec wise, we've got the LED lighting, we've got the stainless steel pole racks, Line X flooring, internal poly kit, and then underneath we have these stainless steel bumper ports. So 650 litre Bravo 650 delivery system. Everything operational wise is accessible from the side loading door. So you've got your pumps, your controllers and your TDS meter, and you've got a pressure washer take off on the bottom of the tank here. So that's a Nissan Primastar. This is an L2. We actually have 10 of these on their way to us, all for stock builds. So now is a very good time to place an order for a Nissan Primastar. If you have any questions or you would like more information, give us a call on 01626 830 830 or email sales@streamline.systems. Thanks for watching.